What is going on YouTube? It's another day back at the park, and I came out here to show off that 2-inch leveling kit that I told you guys about. And I just kind of wanted you guys to take a look at it and also get a view of this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful park located near my house. And here is that leveling kit installed on my 2025 Chevy Silverado. And look at it. I think it came out looking great. Just look at how that stance is now. It's definitely an even stance on it. It had a little squat at the beginning of it, but I know it would probably settle off, and I probably should have went with a with a 1.5 spacer, maybe 1.75 spacer in the front. But I decided on a 2-inch spacer because I may do some things to the rear of the vehicle later on. But I want to give you guys a up close and personal look at that spacer, and it's located right down there, and it's a max racing spacer, and it was pretty much easy to install. It only took him, he's a big mechanic, so it only took him like literally 30 minutes, and he had both of them on and mounted the wheels back on it. And again, the stance on this thing just looks ridiculous. I think it just really, 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 really shows off the truck well now. I mean, it was already a gorgeous truck anyway, but just look at the stance on it now. And I'm glad I stuck with the street tires on this thing. I think it does it justice. This is again a 2025 Chevy Silverado LTZ. It has already the Z71 package on it, so it already came with the factory 2-inch lift because of the Z71 package. So it's 2 inches higher in the front, but it's still just like all trucks come with that rake. Again, I just want to get some really good filming angles of this thing because I'm just like enamored with it. I think it really shows the truck off really well. I'm thinking about putting maybe some 2-inch blocks in the back, as far as lift blocks in the back of the truck, but I'm still a little uncertain, about it. But you definitely can tell in the front now when you look at the truck as it's coming up, or as a vehicle approaching it. I mean, it definitely gives a better, more aggressive stance on the truck when you instead of the nose being dipped down, it's sitting up high. I'm still debating about putting wheel spacers on it to give me a little poke. That's really something I'll maybe decide down the line, but I don't want to do too much to alter the truck, especially it being a brand new truck. So I may just stay or get some advice from mechanics that work at the Chevy dealership on what I can and can't do as far as alterations to the vehicle, without putting it in jeopardy of being going out of warranty or avoiding the warranty out. So this is a truck, man. I think it looks really, really, really good. I just want to give you guys a quick view of it. And I got some other materials and stuff coming online soon, as far as things that I'm gonna do on the outside as mods and also the inside. I am definitely going to get a truck bed cover. I haven't decided on how much money I'm willing to spend on it, but as you know, guys starting off with the YouTube channel, there's no sponsorships at first. Everything you're doing is coming out of pocket, and I don't have the money to do all of that. I can be completely honest about that. I'm willing to invest in the truck because of some things that I think that are a must, and that truck bed cover is one of them. So I would like that because I would like to keep the truck looking as clean and as pristine as possible. So I am willing to do that. Just like with the tent, that was a must. Just blocking out the UV rays and stuff like that, or the antenna, or even the rims, or the wheels. I really wasn't a big fan of that. How the truck came with those 20-inch rims, so I did went ahead and change that. So again, there are some mods that I'm willing to do because again, I'm going to do them anyway, whether I have a channel or not. But I am going to look into some other things and get those things posted online for you guys. But guys, I hope you like the way this truck look. I think that 2-inch leveling kit up front, as far as that max racing, and again on Amazon, less than $40. And the good thing too is that I did some research after I purchased the thing, and some people were saying it works and some people were saying it didn't work because it is mainly for a 2-wheel drive. But it looks clearly perfect on this truck, and the person who put it on here for me, and like I said, he works for Ford, and he's like one of the top mechanics, and he's done work all over the place. And he actually has a Chevy Silverado 2, same package as far as the Z71, and it is a it's exact copy of mine, and his is I think it's a 2021. So he knew exactly what to do, how to fix this thing, and this guy's he's a master of all trades. It's very rare to see that, but he did an amazing job on it. So guys, this is just a quick video, and I just kind of wanted you guys to see this leveling kit on the truck. And I hope you guys continue to watch my video, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.